Hello everyone, so welcome back to another video. So this is my second time doing this because the first time it was copyright claimed due to me using footage. So instead we're going to use stills from Twitter. So yeah, the Gundam's finally made. This was the whole team of devs having fun before the head was put on it. Just taking him a shot in front of it and showing how proud they are of it. God, this thing looks good, but we'll get into that in a bit. So the actual footage shows Shinto priests blessing the head before it's then put on the body, and this just looks so cool. Like, this shot, I don't know if anybody else has seen this on video, but the shot of it in the dark, lit up by all the lights and everything on the cradle, is so nice. But yeah, this thing, it just looks so good. I can't wait to see it properly moving with all its armor on and everything. Mainly because I haven't seen shots of that yet, but let's just get into this new design and everything. I honestly hope that this isn't something that is Japan exclusive, as in like you can only get it at like the Gundam base or something. I want to be able to get a version of this, because it's not often that I get like repeat kits or whatever, or the same kit just updated. But this one looks easily as good as when I first saw like the new Master Grade RX-78 or the real grade RX-78, which are both kind of the same. So the difference with this is they've streamlined the design. They've chosen to change a couple of the details up here and there, add more panel lines. Overall, it just looks like a really, really, really nice design. I'm absolutely loving it. The colours in the chest kind of remind me of the Destiny, I think it is, with the way that it has the darker blue and then the lighter blue at the side near the vents. But overall, not too much changed in the chest. You got a little bit of highlighting of grey and some different panel line changes, which overall make up the new details there. And then we've got at the middle of the waist, we've got like a darker red against the two brighter reds. But the change in that kind of light blue that the Gundam has always had into this dark blue for the torso looks really good to me. Then we've obviously got the waist section where they've added just a little bit more detail and shape to the panels, and then gone through with a lot of panel lining. Honestly, this reminds me of something you'd make in like Mass Builder because of the way that it looks. The interesting thing for me though is the lights on the knees. I think they are. The knees have these individual bits. We're gonna look into this here. The knees and the shoulders have these individual colored bits, which I think are gonna be lights, but the red and green on both sides to tell which side is which, kind of like on an airplane on the tips of the wings. But I absolutely love how, from almost every angle, this thing just looks awesome. Like, they show the splitting of the panels to allow it to move along the legs there, but in almost every single position this thing looks fantastic. I love the beam saber pose here and the final shooting pose. And then we've got it walking here, and then of course again we've got the final pose out of it walking, and then we're back to the box art. Yeah, I'm really, really loving this. I wonder whether they're actually going to give it the shield and the beam rifle in real life. I don't remember actually seeing it with beam sabers either, so it's going to be interesting if they get it all kitted up and then have it walk out. But yeah, if anybody's got footage of this thing moving, not, you know, in the prototype stages, actually moving now from the cradle and everything, just make sure to send me that, because I'm a bit behind on it. I've kept up with a little bit of the building of it when they were doing the inner frame, and then after that, because of how everything went, they kind of delayed the next set of videos, and I kind of dropped off there. So just seeing it all together now is kind of really special and cool to catch up with everything. Anyway, what do you guys think about this? Again, I hope it's not a Gundam base exclusive, because I want this. It's a bit like me wanting the real grade new Gundam, because it just looks so damn good. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the comments section, and hopefully I get to see more of this moving, and we get to find out whether I can purchase this or not. What do you guys think about the overall aesthetics to the new Gundam? How do you think it looks and compares to the older versions of it? Let's get a conversation going in the comments section, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!